NCERT Physics Class 11, second chapter, which is Unit and Measurement, question number 2.8. So, in first part, you are given a thread and a meter scale. How will you estimate the diameter of the thread? So, in order to find the diameter of thread, what we are going to do, that we will wrap the thread on a uniform smooth rod in such a way that the coils which are formed are closer to each other. Now, in order to find the diameter of coil, we can say that diameter is given by length of thread. Length of thread we can easily measure by meter scale, which is provided to us. Diameter of thread can be given by length of thread divided by number of turns on circular scale, on that smooth horizontal scale, divided by number of turns. So in this, what you are going to do, you are going to wrap the thread on a smooth horizontal rod and then find the number of turns on that rod. Make sure that every turn must touch the other turn. So length of the thread can be measured by meter scale and number of turns can be counted. So from this, the diameter can be find out. Second part, a screw gauge has pitch of 1 mm and 200 division on the circular scale. Do you think that it is possible to increase the accuracy of screw gauge by increasing the number of division on circular scale? No, this is not possible, as by increasing the number of circular division by a particular extent, that will lead to more inappropriate result. So a particular extent only, so we can increase the number of circular division up to a particular extent. If we increase beyond that particular extent, the result in accuracy will decrease. The third part, the mean diameter of thin brass rod is to be measured by vernier scale, vernier caliper. Y is a set of 100 measurement of diameter expected to yield more reliable estimate than set of 5 measurement. As more number of experiment are added, so in order to find the average value of error, so by repeating the experiment with increasing number of time, the possibility of error or the percentage of error would decrease. So when the experiment is repeated n times, in that case, the possibility or the probability of error or the percentage of error will reduce.